Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 28 to August 3, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so meron tayong 20% discount sa mga tarot reading services, no, private reading. So kung gusto niyo mag-avail, ayan, hanggang July 31 yung discount. So, let's see Libra, what's up? What's the energy for this week? July 28 to August 3. Overall energy, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, there's a new beginning. Challenge is the Five of Cups. Okay, your opportunity, the Five of Wands. And your blessing is the Six of Swords. Okay, so you are finally moving on to a new direction. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups. You're feeling good right now. Libra. Yung iba sa inyo merong partnership, support system na kumbaga yan yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng motivation, ng strength to pursue whatever you want to pursue sa buhay. O you have the Oracle of Cups. Maaring ang support system mo ay isang water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone who is, may pagka-feminine yung energy niya. Nurturing, caring, loving energy. You have the Apprentice of Wands. Meron mga exciting new beginnings for you. Maaring may kinalaman to sa travel and also paglipat, no? Pwedeng paglipat ng bahay, tirahan, paglipat ng sasakyan. Oo. Or may tipong lilipat ka from a certain brand or model to another car brand, ganon. Some of you naman, maaaring meron kayong ine-explore or i-explore na creative talents and skills ninyo. You have the Justice card. I think also, meron kang aayusin sa buhay mo ngayon. This is your energy, the Justice card. Meron kang i-workout, aayusin. Yung iba, kasing simple ng paglilinis ng bahay, pagdi-declutter, pagre-reorganize ng mga gamit-gamit mo. You have the Elder of Wands. So some of you are going to start your own business. Ito yung business na passionate ka talaga dito. This is something that you really want. So nagsisimula na to or magsisimula na ngayong week na to. You have the Chariot. Umaarangkada. Umaarangkada ang success. Yan. Success, Libra. This is also about movement, achieving your goals. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inner wisdom. So, yung iba, maaring you are highly psychic or meron kayong gifts, spiritual gifts na hina-harness ninyo or in-improve nyo, dine-develop nyo ngayon to help others. Oo. So, yung Ace of Pentacles is your overall energy. Something new. This is about a new career, a new business, or finally you are taking action or practical actions, practical steps doon sa mga goals mo sa buhay. Maaari rin meron ka marireceive na certain amount of money this week na hinihintay mo. Matagal na. Pwede matagal mo na itong hinihintay. And then your challenge is the Five of Cups. Meron ditong yung iba sa inyo, may mga disappointments, may regrets. Maari kasing meron kayo na miss out na opportunity before, no? Or parang feeling mo, sayang, sana. Yung mga what ifs natin, di ba? Kaya lang, lagi niyo tatandaan, para hindi na magulo yung isip ninyo, lahat ng bagay na hindi napupunta sa inyo, ay ibig sabihin, hindi talaga siya para sa inyo. Ganun na lang. Ganun naman talaga yon. Para hindi tayo ma-stress na, ay, sana pala ganito. Hindi mo siya ginawa. So, hindi yun para sa'yo. 'Di ba? Hindi yun nagre-resonate sa'yo para mag-effort ka, 'di ba? So, kaya, yun yung challenge sa'yo ngayon, natanggapin yung mga bagay na hindi napunta sa'yo because it's not meant for you. Now, your opportunity is the Five of Wands. Meron kang opportunity na ayusin ang isang sigalot, problema, misunderstanding, miscommunication, either sa trabaho yan, sa within the family, or yung close circle of friends mo. And you also have the opportunity na ah, maging mas competitive, no? Maaring mas challenge ka sa trabaho mo ngayon, sa career mo, sa business mo. Gusto mo ano, maging top or gusto mo maging mag-excel diyan sa project mo, diyan sa field mo, sa area of life mo na doon ka nagfo-focus or doon ka magaling. Now, your blessing is the Six of Swords. So, finally, umaalis ka na sa isang stressful situation or maaring nakaka-recover ka na, nakaka-move on ka na from a betrayal. So, merong taong nanloko sa'yo, hindi someone na malapit sa'yo. Sabi nga, kung sino daw talaga yung mga malalapit sa atin, sila talaga yung, dun tayo nakaka-experience ng betrayal. Diba? But for you, you are finally moving on. You are going to calmer waters. Mas kalmado, mas at peace ang life mo ngayon. So, let's see the money, career, finances for Libra. Ooh, the lovers, meron ditong commitment, no? Maaring papasok ka sa commitment, meron kang tinake out na loan, may mga bayarin na kinumit mo ang iyong sarili. This can also mean na papasok ka sa isang business partnership. You also have the Apprentice of Swords, so you are learning a lot. Maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong training opportunities ngayon sa trabaho, sa work, or nagre-research talaga kayo about something na interesado kayo related sa pag-aayos ng kaperahan ninyo or source of income na gusto nyo subukan. Sa love life naman, Seven of Pentacles, may hinihintay. May hinihintay. Okay, iba sa inyo, naghihintay kayo ng person na medyo matatagalan pa siya bago siya mag-respond or mag-reach out. Parang may ano feeling niya may kulang. Maaring ikaw ang hinihintay nito. Na ikaw yung mag-effort, ikaw yung mag-reach out. So, kung sino man to, pwede tong romantic partner, family member, or friend. Kung sa tingin mo na wala namang mawawala sa'yo kung ikaw yung magre-reach out, why not reach out? Para at least alam mo na kung ano bang mangyayari sa relationship ninyo. Ito ba ay magpapatuloy or matatapos na? And if you're single, it's time to mingle. Time na yan para makipagkaibigan, meet new people. Meron kang hinihil. You are really fixing something. Conviction, decision making. Oops! Maaring itong hinihintay mo ay sa ngayon, wala pang balak mag-reach out. So, you're feeling sad about it, na parang iniisip mo, anong kulang? Saan ako nagkamali? Bakit ganon? Yung iba naman sa inyo, this can be a relationship na umabot pa sa demandahan. Ganon. Oo. Dahil nagkaroon ng problema or conflict sa inyo. You are also going to be more creative ngayong week na to. Kasi, syempre, kapag ang tao may marami ring pinagdadaanan sa buhay, parang mas natitrigger yung pagiging creative. Pansin ko lang, no? Kasi kumbaga parang mas na-challenge mo yung sarili mo. Or naghahanap ka ng outlet para malibang ka. May progression, may pag-unlad. Libra, don't worry. May pag-unlad. You also have energy ng Scorpio, which is about investigating on something. Parang may inaalam ka rito. Meron kang iniimbestigahan. You also have Coeli. So, maaring iba sa inyo related sa family issues, no? Meron kang gustong malaman about your father, your mother, your sibling, or someone who is close to you. Pwede rin sa sarili mo mismo. Yes, nagkakaroon ka ng soul searching, kumbaga. You want to get to know yourself. You want to know bakit ganito, bakit may trauma ka sa ganitong sitwasyon, ano yung dapat mong gawin. Kasi importante may awareness ka na eh. 'Di ba? Madali na lang yan i-navigate kapag may awareness ka. Tenderness, show compassion and forgive what needs to be forgiven. Some of you, maaring isa ito sa makakapagpagaan ng kalooban ninyo, yung makapagpatawad. No? Hindi lang naman ibang tao ang pinapatawad, pati sarili mo. Kasi minsan we become too hard on ourselves na sinisisi natin lagi yung sarili natin. So for as long as na-realize mo na alam mo na yung pagkakamali mo at natutunan mo na, then move on, no? Forgive yourself. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.